came back with another video, and what we got for you today is a nice, relaxing, inclusive chair yoga class. I've done quite a few of these, but I really like doing them because they allow us to move our bodies around in a very low impact and stress-free way. And we can also work on our deep breathing and ability to help calm ourselves down. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. Make sure you have a nice sturdy chair as usual when we're doing these types of classes. This one has arms. I don't particularly like using chairs with arms because it doesn't allow me to move quite as free. However, for today, it'll be okay. Just find something that you feel comfortable in and essentially something that's not too rickety or is gonna break. So let's go ahead and we'll start with some deep breathing. Go ahead and close your eyes and we're gonna focus in on our breath here. We're gonna focus in on breathing in and breathing out. Good. We're not forcing anything into position here. We're allowing our breath to flow naturally in and flow out. Good. Breathe in, hold for a second, and breathe out. Good. You'll start to notice here as you breathe in and breathe out slowly that your heart rate starts to lower. You start to relax your body. Let all the cares from the world go away. If anything comes into your mind, try to let it be gone. And enjoy this time for yourself to breathe in and breathe out. This is your time to relax and be calm about the entire day and everything that you need to accomplish. Good. Keep breathing. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Find a good pace for yourself. Big breath in. Hold for a second. And exhale. Beautiful. Let's take a couple more breaths all the way in. And all the way out. Good. One more big breath. And relax. Beautiful. Okay, we'll go ahead and move into a little bit of our yoga portion of the class. And we're going to start with our cat and cow pose. We're going to have our legs kind of spread far apart just a little bit, arms crossed in our body. And then we're going to slowly bend over and create a nice tight ball with our entire body. We're trying to coil our spine, make everything as tight as we can. Breathe in here, breathe out. And we'll slowly unravel that spine. Push your arms out to the side, open up that chest. Big breath in. Big breath out. Beautiful. Go ahead and ease yourself back in once again, all the way down. Nice and steady. We're letting that spine get nice and curved, creating that tight ball as we once did. Big breath in here. Big breath out. Good. Slowly reach up, nice and easy. All the way to the side. Push that chest out. Good. One more time, all the way back in. Nice and easy down here. Nice tight ball. Nice, good breath. And then all the way back out. And breathe. Good. We're going to go ahead and move into some shoulder rolls for our next movement here. Just trying to get some great blood flow through those shoulders, allowing our neck muscles and our entire body to move as one. This is a good time to focus on your breath as you move through this motion, nice and steady. We're not forcing anything into place here. We're just going nice and easy with that movement. Good. And let's go ahead and we'll slowly reach up towards one side at a diagonal. All the way out, you're trying to actively reach through that side. And exhale. Good. Come back in towards the other side. Same thing, reach all the way back over. Let's do this a few times. We're gonna reach all the way back. Try to get a little bit further. Big stretch for me. Beautiful, all the way back. Big stretch. Good, and relax. Let's move through this motion one more time. All the way over. Big reach, big breath. Good, all the way over. Excellent job, everyone. We're gonna do a little bit of a leg movement next, and it's just gonna be our knee to chest exercise. So for this one, you're trying to bring that knee up as high as you can towards your chest. If this is uncomfortable to hold it this way, you can also hold under your knee like this. I kind of like this though, just because I think it's very secure for myself. But kind of play around with it and find whatever's comfortable for you. Once we're doing this, we can add a nice little ankle twist into the same movement, just trying to get a little more bang for our buck. All the way around, trying to make some big circles with that ankle if we can. Good. Let's go ahead and we'll ease that guy down. And we'll bring that other knee up into position. Remember, we're trying to bring that knee all the way up to our chest. And when you're comfortable and ready, feel free to add that ankle roll, going around nice and steady. Again, we're trying to get as big of circles as we can, all the way around, nice and easy. Good, excellent job, everyone. Go ahead and bring that guy down. We're gonna move into our pigeon pose and twist. So for this next one, I'm gonna bring my right foot up to my left knee. So my legs are crossed like this. If you can't get into that position, you can just cross your legs kind of down here like that. That's okay too. But if you can get up here, I'd highly encourage it. And then what we're gonna do is twist towards the side that our leg is up. So my right leg is up. I'm gonna slowly twist my back towards that right side and focus in on that breath again. Breathing in and breathing out. Good. Big breath in, big breath out. Nice and steady with that breath. Again, we're not forcing anything out of place here. So if there is some pain and discomfort with this in your back, try to go a little bit shorter of the movement. You don't need to bend all the way around. We'll go ahead and repeat on that other side. Go ahead and anchor your leg down in position. And we're getting that nice twist all the way around again. Again, when we're doing these holds, it's a great time to practice your deep breathing. Good. And we're just trying to get that body all the way around, breathing in and breathing out here. Good. Find that nice breath for yourself. And relax. Good. Go ahead and scoot towards the front of your chair for me. And we're gonna spread our legs apart nice and far for this next one. And we're doing our forward fold. So this one, we're gonna cross our arms, and then we're gonna let our torso or our upper body hang down nice and heavy as much as we can, okay? We're breathing in and breathing out here. That's the name of the game, is to try to let your body and your torso hang as heavy as possible all the way down. Breathing in and breathing out. We're letting our lower back relax in this position, focusing on holding and breathing. Act like your body has a giant weight and you can relax everything. Good. Go ahead and slowly sit back up for me, and we're gonna take a couple breaths here. Good. If you're feeling a little lightheaded from that, maybe take a couple more breaths. Make sure everything's feeling okay. We are going to go back down to that position one more time though. Whenever you are ready, go ahead and join me. We're going all the way back down, nice and steady, and finding that position where we let our body become weighed down as we breathe in and breathe out. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of a sway into this one. back and forth, nice and steady. We can explore some different ranges of motion in our body here, some different tightnesses and feelings in our back potentially. Good. And we'll slowly come up from that one once again. Take a couple more deep breaths as we breathe here. Good. Excellent. We are going to move into our final movement for class today, and that's going to be our overhead reach with our head poke. Go ahead and bring your hands together in our prayer position. And we're going to slowly bring those arms up and over our head as high as we can. Once we do that, we're going to poke our head through that hole we just created and take a big breath in this position. Good. Ease yourself down. I know this one's a little tricky for everyone because it is pretty demanding to get your head through there, but give it your best shot. We're going at our own level, reaching up as high as we can. Push that head through and breathe in. Good. Nice and steady. We are going to do this movement one more time, all the way up. Reach, 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 reach. Poke that head through. Breathe in. And relax. Excellent. Bring those hands down. Great work, everyone. We're going to finish with a little more deep breathing and relaxing to finish off class. Go ahead and close your eyes once again, and we'll focus back in on that breath. Trying to get a nice, consistent breath. Nothing shallow. Make it deep and make it your own. Breathe in and exhale all that air. Good. Breathe in and breathe out. Beautiful. Big breath in. Hold for a second and breathe out. Good. Let your arms rest to the side. Let your legs rest as heavy as they can be, and try to release all tension from your body, focusing on the blank space in your mind. Let all thoughts go to the wayside as we focus in on ourselves here. Breathe in and breathe out. Beautiful. Breathe in and breathe out. Excellent. Relax your body. You owe it to yourself after the day of work. You owe it to yourself to release your anxieties and stresses into the world as we breathe in and breathe out. Good. Focus in here on our last few moments together, and let's take 3 good breaths all together. Big breath in. Hold for a second. Breathe out. Excellent job. 2 more. Relax, relax, relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Very nice. 1 more. Make this your best breath. We're going to relax our bodies as much as we can. Breathing in and breathing out. Good. We'll slowly open up our eyes back to our real life. And I hope you all have a wonderful, relaxing rest of your day and rest of the week, wherever you're at. So we'll go ahead and we'll see you in next time's video. I hope you have, once again, an amazing day and try out some of these moves on your free time.